The cryptic check engine light staring back at you might not spell doom. In today's world of computer-controlled cars, a handy OBD2 scanner can be your knight in shining armor, diagnosing the issue and saving you from expensive trips to the mechanic. In this video, we're diving deep into the top 6 OBD2 scanners of this year, empowering you to transform from a bewildered bystander to a car care commando. All the links to the mentioned products are in the description below for updated pricing. So let's get started. Number 6. Autel MaxiCom MK906 Pro TS. The Autel MaxiCom MK906 Pro TS isn't messing around. This bad boy is a full-fledged professional diagnostic toolkit disguised as a sleek handheld device. It tackles a staggering array of vehicle systems, dissecting engine woes, transmission troubles, ABS mysteries, and beyond. Think of it as a mechanic in your glove compartment, readily diagnosing complex issues with pinpoint accuracy. The MK906 Pro TS boasts bidirectional control, allowing you to not only read and clear codes, but also command certain vehicle functions for advanced testing. Need to perform a forced regeneration on your diesel particulate filter? No problem. This scanner empowers you to delve deep into your car's operation, a feature rarely seen in consumer-grade models. However, this immense power comes at a cost. The MK906 Pro TS is a heavyweight champion when it comes to price. It's best suited for professional mechanics or serious gearheads who demand the ultimate in diagnostic capabilities. Compared to its counterparts, the MK906 Pro TS offers unparalleled depth, but its hefty price tag might deter casual users. Number 5. Ancel BD310. Not everyone needs a full-fledged diagnostic war machine. Sometimes, a trusty foot soldier is all you need. Enter the Ancel BD310, a champion in the realm of affordability. This scanner punches above its weight, offering basic yet effective OBD2 functionalities. It reads and clears trouble codes, displays live data streams, and even provides basic definitions for those pesky DTCs, diagnostic trouble codes. The Ancel BD310 shines in its simplicity. Its user interface is refreshingly uncomplicated, making it ideal for novices and casual car owners. It won't delve into the deepest recesses of your car's systems, but for basic troubleshooting and understanding that pesky check engine light, the BD310 is a trusty companion. However, its simplicity has limitations. Compared to its more feature-rich counterparts, the BD310 offers less in-depth analysis and lacks advanced functionalities like bidirectional controls or coding capabilities. Additionally, its compatibility might be narrower, so ensure it works with your specific car make and model. Number 4. Autel MaxiCom MK808. The Autel MaxiCom MK808 strikes a fantastic balance between power and user-friendliness. It offers a significant step up from the Ancel BD310, venturing into more advanced territories like live data streaming, system health reports, and even basic coding functions. This scanner caters to a wider audience, appealing to both experienced DIY mechanics and repair shops seeking a versatile tool. Think of the MK808 as a Swiss Army knife of OBD2 scanners. It tackles a broad spectrum of diagnostic tasks, providing detailed information on engine, transmission, ABS, and SRS systems. Its user interface is intuitive, with clear menus and well-defined options. Additionally, the ability to perform basic reprogramming functions like key fob adjustments adds another layer of utility. While powerful, the MK808 doesn't quite reach the professional-grade depth of the MK906 Pro TS. Its coding capabilities are limited, and it might lack some of the more specialized functions required by professional mechanics. However, for those seeking a potent, user-friendly scanner that goes beyond basic code reading, the MK808 is a compelling choice. Number 3. Foxwell NT301. The Foxwell NT301 injects a dose of modern convenience into the OBD2 scanner world. This compact scanner connects to your smartphone via Bluetooth, transforming your device into a diagnostic dashboard. The accompanying app boasts a user-friendly interface, displaying retrieved data in a clear and organized manner. This app-based approach offers several advantages. It allows for easy software updates, keeping your scanner compatible with the latest vehicles. Additionally, the app can store diagnostic reports and trouble code history, creating a valuable log of your car's health. However, the NT301's reliance on a smartphone app introduces a point of vulnerability. Ensure your phone meets the minimum system requirements and is compatible with the app. Additionally, using the scanner might drain your phone's battery, so keeping it plugged in during diagnostics is recommended. While feature-rich compared to basic scanners, the NT301 doesn't offer the same level of depth as some competitors. It focuses on core functionalities like reading and clearing codes, live data streaming, and basic OBD2 tests. Don't expect advanced coding capabilities or deep dives into specific modules like TPMS or SRS. Number 2. BlueDriver Bluetooth Pro LSB2. The BlueDriver Bluetooth Pro LSB2 takes a unique approach. Instead of a standalone scanner, it leverages the power of your smartphone. This scanner pairs seamlessly with your iOS or Android device, transforming it into a powerful diagnostic tool. The BlueDriver app boasts a user-friendly interface and a comprehensive library of code definitions. It goes beyond just reading codes, offering live data streaming, smog checks, readiness checks, and even performance graphs. Plus, it connects to the cloud, allowing you to store your vehicle's diagnostic history and share it with your mechanic for remote assistance. However, the reliance on a smartphone introduces a dependency. You'll need a compatible device and a stable internet connection to unlock the app's full potential. Additionally, the BlueDriver app requires a subscription to access certain features, adding a recurring cost to the initial purchase. For tech-savvy drivers who prioritize convenience and a user-friendly interface, the BlueDriver Bluetooth Pro LSB2 offers a compelling solution. But keep in mind the smartphone dependency and potential subscription fees. Number 1. Autel AL539. The Autel AL539 reigns supreme in the realm of user-friendly, no-frills scanners. This scanner strips away all the complexities, focusing on a single core function: deciphering those pesky check engine-like codes. The AL539 excels in its simplicity. It boasts a clear, easy-to-read display and straightforward button layout. Reading and clearing codes is a breeze, with the scanner providing clear definitions for each fault code retrieved. It even offers basic live data streaming for monitoring key engine parameters. However, the AL539's simplicity comes at a cost. It lacks the advanced functionalities of its competitors. Don't expect bidirectional controls, system-specific diagnostics, or fancy features. It's a code reader, pure and simple. The Autel AL539 is perfect for drivers who just want a simple, affordable solution to diagnose basic engine issues. It's a great option for those who are new to the world of OBD2 scanners or who prioritize ease of use over extensive features. There you have it, the top 6 OBD2 scanners of 2024, meticulously dissected for your diagnostic decision-making pleasure. If you found this review helpful, leave a thumbs up below. And don't forget to subscribe for more car care tips and tech reviews. In the comments section below, let us know which OBD2 scanner piqued your interest the most and share your experiences with these powerful diagnostic tools.